we have a box of goodies which we want to share with you from Just For You.
Exciting.
Online at UK. There's so many moulds in here, so excited. I will just say they are stopping doing moulds right now. So if you go onto their page and into their sale section, you'll get there's some really nice moulds in there at a really good price. So I'd pop and have a look at there, take advantage of that. If you do, we've got a 15% off code. It's Millie's Gift Shop. We'll add that to notes wherever we put this video. So you can get yourself even more of a bargain right now for the treasures. Okay, so we've got this mould is gorgeous and comes with like a little battery operated tea light, but can you imagine the potential with that? It's huge. Eco pour all your resin. There's just so many ideas that you can use that for to make that look. So you could personalise it, put little names in there, wedding dates. There's just so much potential with that. Gorgeous. So there's that.
Smaller one?
Yeah, I don't know if they've got any of those left at the moment. They've definitely got some of these. Again, so much potential with that. Do you know one of the things I thought about with this? Like little family trees, so you could have different people's names in there and different colours, and a really sweet little tray, or you could get a little stand and have it standing up. Anyway, my brain. But yeah, we've got loads and loads of moulds. Oh, these are handy.
Oh, yeah.
They always do these.
So this is their Resin Buddy kit as well. So in this kit you get a large silicone mixing jug with the measurements on the side so that you can see and be able to pour out. You also get the tiny little ones,
which is so perfect for mixing individual colours.
So you can mix in your big one, pour it into your different ones, add your colours. You get a large silicone mixing spatula.
I'll just say as well, no waste if you're going to use it in those. Like, we also have used paper cups, all kinds of different things, one use, then it's done. But those, just peel out the resin or whatever at the end.
Use them again, and you also get little tiny stirrers in there as well.
Again, longevity, brilliant. Yeah. Okay, so we'll empty some of these moulds and then show you some sparkles. A couple of other things to talk to you about. This, oh my goodness, literally an absolute lifesaver for any surface that you're going to do any kind of messy creating on. Perfect for resin.
Put it across your table or for your workspace.
It's a mat.
It is enormous.
Got somebody else interested in it.
A tiny cat. Look at the size of it.
And that is so easy. Like when you've got things like resin, you can literally just, no darling, you can literally just peel off any drops and drips of resin. So you can just keep it fresh and clean, wipe it over with a bit of acetone. It's absolutely perfect. Another thing that they've got in their sale section at the moment. So once they're gone, I believe they may be gone for good. So go for it. And I don't think you'll find a bargain like this.
No.
It's like a bath board. Oh my days, the potential for your glass of wine. Or water or pop. Imagine how gorgeous that could be. So that's another mould. Now for some treasures. So let's see what we've got. Oh, that's heavy and chunky. Just look at all of those. Oh my goodness. Look at those colours.
This is the Essential Pigment set from Just For You.
Okay, next.
Pigment powders. The floating ones.
These are stunning. So you know when you see these bits of resin artwork where there's a real sprinkle of like metallic sprinkle on the top that really shines and is really, really pretty. Well, you've got that in all of these.
Next up,
okay,
the Essential Glitter set.
Show the sparkles. Oh my goodness, just such pretty colours, and there's different sizes as well. So there's some which are really tiny and some which are a bit chunkier. So depending on what you want to achieve. Oh, that dreamy. Okay,
Nice.
love. This. Now these ones.
Ignitions.
Oh,
Are you ready?
goodness.
Are you ready
Yeah,
for this?
again, dreamy. Just look at those. They're so beautiful. I think that's my favourite. That one. And that one. And the names?
So in this you've got the Luxury Sparkle.
Now, I'm going to say, I am genuinely, completely and utterly addicted to this. I do use this. I've done a shiny tray recently and I think I've popped it up on the stories. This is just something to drool over. So I cannot wait to play with these.
Purple Opal Flakes, which is that kind of purpley, bluey, greeny kind of nice. Then you've got the Silver Ignition Dust.
Yeah.
White Opal Flakes and White Ignition Dust.
So I literally, again, also this one, you know, when you get like all the different kind of colours in something, I'm hooked on that kind of thing. These are going to just be so stunning. There is so much gorgeousness here to show you, and I'm sure you don't want to hear us waffling on all the way through. So we shall leave you in peace to watch as we take out all these gorgeous treasures. So we hope you've enjoyed looking at all this gorgeousness from Just For You Online UK.
And if you wanted to get any of these products yourself, then head over and use our code Millie's Gift Shop at the checkout, and that will give you 15% off. And save the code as well, because it will work every time.
Yeah, and if there's anything you want to see again or in more detail, let us know. Or if you'd like to see it in action, let us know and we'll see if we can sort that out too. So for now, it's goodbye from us.
Bye.
And goodbye from Monty.